Ken Zaslov, the president of ICRS, and we are so excited that we have now almost completed our first full Congress in Asia. It's been a long time coming. We have been alternating between Europe and North America for several decades, and now we were able to go all the way to Asia for our Congress rather than just a small focus meeting. We started with the ICRS in China as small visitors to small conferences with Dr. Ao almost a decade ago, and now the ICRS China chapter has grown to a fully mature chapter and helped us support this wonderful meeting. I think the future of the ICRS is very bright. We've recently changed our mission, moving from just filling small defects in cartilage to the treatment of early osteoarthritis, and hopefully our nice, unique combination of industry, scientists, and surgeons, all equal members in this society, will continue to contribute to this very important field, which causes so much disability in patients throughout the world. I think we can have a major difference. I'm very excited to turn over the reins to Alberto Gobi, and then after that to Tom Minus. I know that we're in good hands for the future.
Perspective, I want to spend more time giving the opportunity to new country, to new people to join us and to find the benefit of being part of such an important international organization. So for the next few years, I will try to give energies in countries where they are not so skilled in cartilage repair, a new preservation of the joint, and having new doctors, new energy, new people joining our meetings.
To the Italian future, maybe some ICRS future. So I wish you all good luck, and we'll see you next time in Vancouver.